You've seen Shark Tank on TV, right? Budding entrepreneurs go in front of 5 highly successful business people, or sharks, and try to sell them their ideas. The sharks decide whether they want to invest, and if the contestants are lucky, a bidding war erupts. Once that's over, the contestants try to strike a deal, with the sharks offering investment in return for a stake in their companies. Of course, deals don't just happen on primetime TV. Far less glamorous, but equally important deals are made all over the world every minute of every day. Negotiating with experienced heads can be tough, though, especially in business. So you're going to need a little help. To make this course a little less terrifying, we've replaced the scary sharks with cuddly bears. The Deal Bears. They're so cute. Anyway, they're going to show you the benefits of making deals and how to make and close them. Right, guys?